Have you ever opened a website in Chrome and it looks broken, blank, or button just don't work? If that's happening, the problem might not be the website, it could be Chrome JavaScript setting. Let me show you where to check it and how to fix it in seconds in your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Chrome, tap the three dots at the top right, then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen, tap Site Setting, scroll down the screen. Under Content section, tap JavaScript, and then make sure Site can use JavaScript is selected. If Don't Allow Site to use JavaScript is enabled, many websites will not work properly. If needed, tap Add Site Exception. If you want to block JavaScript for a specific website only, here you can enter the website address and then tap Add. Once JavaScript is enabled, reload the website and it should work normally again. This fix is especially useful if pages don't load properly, buttons don't respond, or website look incomplete. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.